Alright, what up guys? In this one we are going to practice Elixir by solving the first Euler problem. So I did this in JavaScript in the previous video, and I tried to get all fancy with higher order functions. You could have done it with filter, you could have used map, or you could have just used a simple for loop. But in Elixir, definitely no for loops, so let's just go ahead and write this. I think it's going to be like 6 or 7 lines max. And basically, if you don't know what the first Euler is they just want you to get all the numbers below 1,000 that are multiples of 3 and 5 and add them together. Okay, so pretty straightforward. The example that they give you is that if you get all the numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 and 5 and you add them, you get 23. So we're going to be doing that for everything below 1,000. Let's comment this out. Okay. What we can do here is start by defining our module. So let's just say Euler 1 do, and let's create a function called get sum, and it'll take a couple arguments just to make this so that we can ultimately use this with any two numbers. You could just actually do something like 1999 here, but I don't know, just for the sake of making this usable in other instances where we don't only want to use 1 and 1,000 or whatever, we'll just assign variables. So we'll say A through B, and we'll filter through them by using a stream so that it's done lazily. Filter, and this takes an anonymous function, so let's do fnx. And what can we do here? I think we can use the rem function, which is sort of like modulus. So rem x 3 equals to 0, and Elixir has or instead of the double pipe, so or rem x 5 equals 0, and don't forget we need end here, and then we'll just add them up. So seriously, I think that's it. So let's do IEX Euler 1. What did I call this file? Euler 1 dot Euler. I always say Euler. Euler 1 dot exs. It's not running. We've got an error. What's going on? Syntax error before parentheses 15. Where? Let me figure this out. And I'm not really sure what's causing this. Oh, might be because this is too redundant. Duh. I don't need a modulus since I'm using rem. So let's see if this works. And also I'm going to take these out because that maybe, I don't think that would be the problem, but anyway, let's try it out now. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do is let's just call it. So we'll say Euler 1 dot get sum, and let's just, to verify, let's pass in 1 and 9. We should get 23. Okay, let's do it again with 1 and 999. 233,168. Great. Okay, so let's just shorten this up and use the capture operator. So we'll say we're going to capture this function, so we'll say parentheses, and we're going to have to close this up here. And instead of having x here, we'll just say the first parameter that's passed in. And let's do the same over here. So open parentheses. Let's get all of this and move it inside. There, and this is going to be the first argument passed in. Let's try that again. Let's recompile. And missing terminator because I need to take out all this crap here. I need to add another parentheses here, first of all. And this doesn't belong. I messed this up, I think. Capture, this is all the same anonymous function. So, there. Hopefully this runs. Let's recompile. Cool. Let me get to the top, to the middle here. IX Euler 1 EXS. Okay, get Euler 1, get sum 1 9. Nice. 9 9. Cool. So there's a pretty awesome functional way of solving the first Euler problem. Again, if this is a little confusing, the syntax, just use an anonymous function. But either way, pretty cool. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Drop out those and that's so tell ya hold on, come over, coming straight up that motor.